Danny Hayasaka with Call 1-8, helping people do their business better. And today we have the new Jabra Evolve 65E as well as the Jabra Evolve 75E. Why? Because we want to know what's the difference between the two. So they're both sort of neckband style headsets with the earbuds. And so let's just open them up, take a look at them, and you guys can check them out side by side as I tell you sort of the differences between the two. So that's a little different. So this guy comes like this with this little baggie. 65E, 75E comes in this hard case. I think we've done a video showing this already. And so there's that. All right, so in terms of accessories and sort of the parts and pieces that are included, they're both identical. They both have additional ear wing tips and ear tips. They both have the USB dongle so that you can connect to your PC for UC applications or Microsoft environments. They both have these sort of magnetic earbuds. This one should be the same. Yep. So magnetic earbuds. They both have the online indicator light right built into the little microphone area. They both have vibrating necks, so when you get a phone call, you're alerted. Now one thing I'm noticing though is that the 65E is a lot lighter. They're about the same. They're about the same. But this guy, you know what? I think it's a little bit lighter. And this, if you'll notice, is a little more malleable. So this is rigid and solid, where this has some give. So that may be a little more comfortable for some. And of course, you get the USB cable for both. If you forget to charge, even though these have ridiculous battery life, so this guy here gives you like 13 hours of talk time. This will give you 8 hours of talk time on a single charge. If you forget to charge, you can still use it with the USB cable if using it with your PC. But other than that, you know, I'm looking through these spec sheets. The primary difference between the two, besides the talk time, is active noise canceling. So the 75E has active noise canceling, and the new Jabra Evolve 65E does not. It has passive noise canceling. But the other primary difference is price. So these guys come in at $259 and these come in at 200 bucks. So is that $60 worth the difference for the active noise canceling? It's up to you. You make that choice. You know, we're gonna get these things set up because what you guys probably want to hear is how well they sound. All right, or how well they perform in various environments. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make them. Thanks.